Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's question is find area of standard circle with radius r using integration. Now what is meant by standard circle? Circle with center at origin. Now this circle with radius r, equation will be x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now if we take this x square to this side, then this will be y square is equal to r square minus x square. Taking square root on both sides, we get y is equal to plus or minus root r square minus x square. We are considering plus here because we are finding area and area is always positive, therefore we are considering plus only. Now we have to express this equation in terms of y, since to find area formula is area is equal to integral y dx, either x dy or y dx. Limits are x1 to x2. Now area above x-axis is positive and area below x-axis is negative. Now due to symmetry, magnitude is same and sign is opposite, means plus this area is plus and this area is minus, it will be 0. Therefore what we are doing, due to symmetry, area of all these four parts is equal. Therefore area of circle is equal to 4 into area in first quadrant. Four into area in first quadrant, then we get area of circle is equal to 4 into, now using integration, area is integral y dx, and in first quadrant limit of x varies from x is equal to 0. This is x axis, this is y axis. Limit of x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to r. Since this is radius, right, radius of circle, therefore this point is r0. Therefore x coordinate varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to r. Therefore limit is from 0 to r is equal to 4 into integral 0 to r, but y is under root r square minus x square dx. Now using formula here, integral root a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x upon a plus constant of integration. Since this is indefinite integral, therefore we have to add constant of integration. Now using this formula here, area is equal to 4 into integral 0 to r, is equal to 4 into, now integral a square minus x square dx, integral is x by 2 root a square minus x square. Here in place of a there is r, therefore r square minus x square plus r square by 2 sine inverse x upon r, and limit varies from 0 to r. This is definite integral, therefore limit from 0 to r, need not to add that constant of integration, is equal to 4 into. Now if we put limit, upper limit first minus lower limit. Upper limit is x is equal to r. Now r by 2 root r square, replacing this x by r square minus r square will be 0. Therefore first term of upper limit 0, r square by 2 sine inverse, replacing x by r upon r is 1 minus lower limit. Now we have to put x is equal to 0, lower limit is 0, x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0 here, again this term will be 0 plus r square by 2 sine inverse, we have to put x is equal to 0, sine inverse 0. This term is 0, r square by 2 into, now sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus this term is 0 plus r square by 2 sine inverse 0 is again 0 is equal to 4 into r square into pi divided by 2 into 2 4, this will get cancelled. What will remain? Pi r square units. Area of circle using integration pi r square units. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.